Okay, so Marcel has gotten all the tracks together. Got some paste flux here. Clean off my soldering iron. And I cheat a little bit and I tin it. Wipe it off a bit. Then what I do is take liquid flux and douse that little area with some liquid flux. And burns your uncle. Okay, after I put the solder down, take an old toothbrush, little handy dandy alcohol dispenser here. Alcohol on the old toothbrush, and gonna wipe everything off because flux is an oxidizer, and then it'll cause corrosion. Yeah, you can see, that doesn't look very good, does it? So to fix that, pick a file. That's a lot better. There we go. Clean that up a little bit more alcohol. And do the same thing to the other side here. And just keep going on from there.